This tutorial will tell you how to import items to the catalog. Importing multiple products is an essential function if you want to keep our company's profile up to date. The Smartiberzoo platform is designed to easily sync our database with the virtual trade show's catalog. Please go to Smartiberzoo's homepage and use your username and password to log into your company's account. Once you are logged in, roll your mouse over the Catalog tab, where you will find the Export and Import options. You can start by clicking on the Export Catalog option. You will find a category filter in case we only want to edit a specific category. If you, on the other hand, want to export the complete catalog, just leave the filter blank. All of this is explained in the text below. You can load categories directly from the filter, or you can use the category tree. If we click on these two, we will export 28 plus 2 products. If you wish, you can also delete a category and export only the other one. After all this, when you click on Export, you will be sent an email message with a link to an Excel file. Click on the link to download the file and work on it. You will see this message if the data has been exported successfully. The system will also automatically send out an email message with a link to an Excel file with all exported data. Click on the link to download this file and start working on it. Let's go back to the import section. As usual, you can show and hide the help text by clicking on either question mark button. When first using Smartiberzoo, we recommend clicking on the Download Template button to download an empty Excel spreadsheet, and using this template to upload multiple products for the first time. As we saw right now in the bottom left part of the screen, the Excel file was just downloaded, but right here I'd like to point out that the other option is going to the export section and downloading an Excel file with the products we have already introduced in the catalog, as we saw before. Once we open the Excel file, we will see all the different fields we have to complete. The first one is the reference. For example, we type in A34. In the description field, we type in new product. In the first row, we have the name of each field, and the next one includes the help text, which comments on the fields that we have below. Text fields always appear in both Spanish and English, but only one of the two is obligatory. Please make sure that you complete all the categories and that you fill out at least one of the languages for each category. Once we have the descriptions, we have to go to the category field. It is obligatory to fill out this field with an identifier. Identifiers can be found in the category sheet. This sheet includes all listed categories organized into levels. We have the first levels on this column, and the second levels to the right. There are only 2 levels, and we have to identify the category of our product. In this case, we select, for example, cats, which is option 33. We go back to the product sheet, we introduce number 33, and now we can see that it shows the cats category that we saw before. Also, the brand and the URL of the product, which is an optional field, and also whether the product is activated or not. As you can see, products marked with a 0 are not activated, while products marked with a 1 are activated. This product is now ready to be uploaded onto the system. We save the file, and we can also introduce a file called main image for this product. We introduce the reference, which is 34, and automatically the product we just introduced will show up. What kind of document are we going to include? A main image, as we can see in the help text, would be type 1, and the name of the file, which we should know beforehand. The name could be, for example, mainimage.jpg. Descriptions both in English and Spanish are optional. Once we have introduced the file, we have to save again. We now go back to the platform and we click on Import. We select the Excel file we have completed, and we import it. This product reference was already in the system. Therefore, the system will inform us that one product will be modified. Here we can see which product will be modified. If we introduce further products, we would see them in this section. Also, the system hasn't detected any errors in the products. If there were any errors, we could cancel out the process and edit the Excel file over again until the system showed no errors. Also, the system is telling us it has detected a file, in this case, the main image that we introduced. We confirm the import and the system will tell us it has been successful. We can go to the Manage Catalog section and see that this product is the first one we have, and that it has been placed in the category we have selected from the Excel file, along with the title and the corresponding information, such as the activation status. By clicking on View Profile, you can see the product's profile, which would look pretty much like this. Since we haven't imported the image, it appears blank. In order to import the images from the Excel file, you can go to Manage Files. In this section, we have the files which haven't been loaded yet. In this Pending File option, we see the pending files which we still haven't imported. And in File Import, we would have to add the image we uploaded, which we named mainimage.jpg. You can also add a zip file with all the pending files compressed in it. The system will then browse the zip file and look for the images. Also, please remember that in order not to lose any information, you should save all the changes before you log out of the platform. We hope this information has been of use to you. Thanks for your attention.